Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 279, PowerFX. The moment many have waited for has arrived. You can now use PowerFX on your Power Pages site. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. PowerFX is a low-code formula language based on Microsoft Excel. It started in the world of Canvas apps, but can now be used in Power Automate Desktop, Dataverse, and model-driven apps. And now, Power Pages. You can add PowerFX formulas to your site by using the Power Pages Design Studio. Look for the FX icon in the toolbar when editing content like text, images, buttons, and iframes. Clicking that button will open up a new area above the page where you can enter your formula. Start your PowerFX expression with an equal sign. From there, you can use PowerFX to read data from Dataverse. Tables are accessed by using their name, but watch out, table permissions are enforced. You've also got access to the user object, which gives you the ID of the currently logged in contact, as well as their email and full name. PowerFX is a great addition to Power Pages, and will be very useful to those coming from other parts of the Power Platform. But for those of you who love Liquid, don't worry. It's still supported, and I don't think that's going to change anytime soon. While there is definitely some overlap between Liquid and PowerFX, I believe the templating functionality of Liquid sets it apart, and means that it will continue to be an important part of the Power Pages product. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 279 on PowerFX useful.